Can you set nickname in Instagram chat? So let's get started. First of all, launch your Instagram application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your Instagram account. Now, from your home page, navigate to the chat page by tapping on this chat icon from the top right corner. Now, open up the conversation with your friends in Instagram. After you open this chat page or conversation, now if you would like to change the nickname for this account, if you tap on the profile from the top of this interface, you will get to this page. Now from here, if you tap on option, and from this drop down box you will only have three options, either to restrict, block or report. So there is no any option to change the name or to set the nickname. So as of the latest update of Instagram, there is no any feature available in Instagram to set the nickname in Instagram chat. Instagram doesn't allow that features till the date. So you will not be able to set nickname in Instagram chat. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.